In this video, I'll show you how to accept credit card payments with PayPal for your business. First, sign into PayPal and make sure you're using a business account. PayPal's business accounts are designed to accept debit and credit card payments, and they also give you access to tools like checkout, invoices, and payment links. Next, choose how you want customers to pay you. If you have a website, you can use PayPal Checkout or create payment buttons and add them to your site. If you don't have a website, PayPal also lets you create payment links, QR codes, or invoices that customers can open and pay online. Now, if you want customers to pay by card even without a PayPal account, turn on Guest Checkout or PayPal Account Optional in your PayPal settings, if that feature is available for your setup. That allows eligible buyers to pay with a credit or debit card on the PayPal checkout page. After that, send your invoice or payment link or connect the checkout button to your website. Once the customer pays, PayPal processes the card payment and the money is sent to your PayPal account, where you can keep it there or transfer it to your bank, depending on your country and account setup. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.